don't try and do it all yourself.
Awesome.
I think one of the things which I always refer myself back to, and this is about your industry, I went and spoke to an investor and a financial planner way back in, it would have been my late 20s. And I sat down, and in typical, I'm a qualified engineer, so I think in an engineering fashion. And this guy gave me a whole lot of information. And I turned around and I said, you know what? I can do that all myself. Why would I pay this guy a percentage of everything that comes in when I could follow that? The problem is that I had no one holding me accountable to it. And I never set up super in my early days. I didn't really have the time to go out and buy investment properties until much later in my working life. If I had taken his advice and got him on board, which probably would have cost me $2,000 or $3,000 back then, I hate to think what the difference would be in return from taking that advice and allowing him to help me and hold me accountable to do it. So
Very
don't do it all yourself. Actually allow others to bring in the expertise to help you achieve your goals. Because if you get the right people on board, you will be a lot further ahead. And with super, you start when you're 20 and you finish when you're 60, and the assets that you've got in there have magically turned up because it's just this small amount of money going in all the time. But if you don't put that money aside, then you don't have the compounding advantages of starting early. So I say to anyone, if you're getting into business, get your financial modeling right, get your planning right, and make sure that you're setting yourself to win in every aspect, and that's work-life balance.